Hey everybody, I had no plans on making this video, but I was in ShopRite and I saw some pork belly and I figured, oh, let me try to grill it. And I'm like, I don't know, I've never really grilled it before, so I'm going to give it a shot. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to boil it for about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. So, and this is just like on the fly, you know. I have no idea if this is how this is going to turn out. So yeah, I figured let me just give it a shot. So this is what I'm going to do. I've got a little bit more than a pound of some pork belly here. I'm going to use 1 onion, and after I boil it, I'm gonna put a sauce on it and then grill it. And that sauce is going to be some hoisin. I'm going to use some soy sauce. I'm going to use some black vinegar, and I'm going to use some ginger. I've got a pot here with some water in it. I'm going to put a generous amount of salt. Cut the onion. I'm going to put it in skin and all. And then I'll just put that in. And that's it. When that comes up to a boil, I'll boil it for about 30 minutes. Let it cool down. And give it a nice coat of a marinade that I'll make. And then I'll grill it. Okay, so I chopped up that ginger, so that's probably about a little bit more than a tablespoon. And I'm gonna throw that in here. I'm gonna add water to just cut down on any saltiness from the soy sauce, and that's about a cup of water. The soy sauce. That's all I'm going to do with the soy sauce. I don't want to oversalt it. Chinese black vinegar. I don't know, that was less than 1/3 of a cup. And then some hoisin. The hoisin's going to add a nice sweetness to it and thicken it up. Mix that up a little bit. Give it a taste. Not bad. You can use a little bit more hoisin and a little bit more vinegar. Okay, I've got some chili oil here that I made. I'm just gonna add a little bit. When the pork belly is done, I'm just gonna throw it right in here and let it sit so it'll soak it up. Okay, so this went, and it's basically cooked. All right, but now I threw it right into this marinade, and I'm just gonna let it sit there for a while, and then we're gonna grill it, and we'll see how it comes out. I have no idea. May come out too dry, may come out tasting like crap, but hey, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Okay, so these are done. Just gonna let them sit, and yeah, that's it. Then we'll give them a taste. Not bad. has a great flavor. Maybe boiling it wasn't the way to go. Maybe I should have marinated it and then put it on the grill and do a nice and slow roast on the grill. Anyway, I would definitely do it again. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.